Hello guys, so today again I will continue to test some makeup, and today I choose this lipstick from 𝓁𝒂𝓂𝓉𝒾𝓄𝓁. Come here, focus. This one. Okay, I think you can see me now. Like that, it's perfect. So let's go and test it. I like it. So it's like a orange, very it's between orange, between red, and I really love this color. But I love red and I want to mix with this one. So this one is from 𝓈𝒾𝓅𝓈𝓉, and it's French, so I need to check in English. It's simply a lipstick red with, it's like a creamer, like a cream inside. So I'll show you. So now then I apply this one. I'm going to mix with this one. This one is from France. It's red color and it's like a cream. I will show you the difference between them. You can see the difference. Red and orange. So let's go. You see me so much close now. I hope you will be not perfect, but good. Okay. I hope I don't scare you. So let's go mix both. Okay. Oh, you can see already the difference. Before it was like orange, but very discreet. And now with this one, it's like, I love. So remember then this one is from 𝓁𝒂𝓂𝓉𝒾𝓄𝓁. I don't know how to pronounce that. And this one is from France. I bought that in France. It's simply from 𝓁𝒾𝓄𝓁. You can see here, 𝓁𝒾𝓄𝓁. Good. Now I will make you not so much close to me. Beam, better. So I hope I help you to see then you can mix your lipstick. So many times, okay, what's happened to me is one day I didn't have a red very dark, and I thought, when you are in school, when you are very young, teacher teach you to do paint, okay, to do painting, and we always teach me then you can mix colors. So I thought, let's try it with lipstick, and I'm just happy. It helped a lot. So I'm going to stop here this video because it's not necessary to talk more about the lipstick. You see the difference, and that's it. I wish you a good day, guys. Bye. Say bye-bye.